Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this brown and pearl cut crease makeup look. To start this look, I taped the sides of my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette for the light brown shade. I'm going to be putting this in my crease and also making a wing-like shape. Here, using concealer, I'm cutting the crease. Next, I'm creating a wing using a liquid eyeliner. Then I'm going to add these pearl beads, and to adhere them, I'm going to be using eyelash glue and some tweezers to help put them where I want them to be. And I'll just be going back and forth trying to make both sides look relatively even and make them in a kind of zigzag pattern. Next, I'm adding mascara. Here I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and I'll be topping this with false lashes. And that completes this brown and pearl cut crease makeup look. I really like how the pearls turned out and think they're a fun way to add something special to one of your looks. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time.